Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here with Jessica from Sharp Electronics. The last time we got an update from Sharp Electronics was KBIS 2020, so there's a lot of new stuff to go over. Jessica, how you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Now, what is this hologram oven of the future thing we got going on over here?
So this is a very exciting new model. It's actually not launched yet. We're aiming for early 2025. So this is the Sharp 30-inch high-speed wall oven, 1.6 cubic foot capacity. The exciting thing about this is that we have a gold carbon heater, which is an industry first, the electric cooking appliance industry's first gold carbon heater. It actually produces more far infrared rays, so essentially produces more heat at a faster rate compared to a halogen heater. So we have that in combination with the true European convection. So the convection fan is circulating not only the hot air from its traditional heating elements, but also the gold carbon heater air. So essentially cooking faster, more evenly.
Now walk me through some of these operations we've got on this oven. Can you do that?
Sure. So as I said, this isn't launched yet, so this isn't the final version, but this connects to Wi-Fi, so it will actually also connect to Alexa. You can do manual cook here, where you can microwave, grill, convection bake. You'll be able to air fry, and then we'll have some preset cooking menu items, and this will also be connected to the Sharp Kitchen app, where you can access more menu items.
Okay, and what will Alexa be able to do for me? Will she be able to preheat the oven?
Definitely.
Okay. And then other similar products I've seen on the markets at different times have, when you go to the preset cooking, it will actually show you a picture of how brown you want your meat to get or something like that. Is there any plan for that in this design yet?
I don't believe that's been discussed, but that's great feedback and something we'll definitely take into consideration.
Okay, great, thank you. I want to be truth in advertising here. This is a little hologram generator in here. This doesn't come with the oven, I don't think.
No, it does not.
Okay, but it is cool. All right, and what else is new since 2020 for Sharp?
We have some new countertop microwaves being launched with the UL 923 child lock.
Ooh, that's an interesting. I've never heard of a microwave with a child lock. Can we go take a look at those? Do you have those here?
Of course, yeah, we have some over there.
So I've heard of a control lockout on a microwave before, where you can set it so whether you push buttons or not, nothing happens. But this is one step beyond that. Talk to us about this.
Correct. So this is actually a child-resistant door lock. So once cooking operation is completed, plus 30 minutes after, you will not be able to press the button to open the microwave door. This applies to all countertop microwaves in the US after April 1st production.
Okay, so everybody's going to be doing this. Now, you said for 30 minutes after, you cannot open it unless, of course, you bypass it. Now, is that a default setting, or is that something people can choose to toggle on and off?
You can definitely choose to enable or disable it. For our models, it will be the 790, hold for 3 seconds. That will enable or disable. And we actually are going to have QR codes on the inside so that a user can scan it and see all of the information, like the disabling code, if they decide to disable that feature.
Or they can watch this video. All right, so kids, if you're watching, scroll away. This doesn't concern you. Okay. All right, anything else new about the microwave? Or anything I forgot to ask?
I don't believe so. This microwave in particular connects to Wi-Fi and is connected to Alexa. Disclaimer, you can't disable or enable the door resistant lock
With Alexa.
using Alexa.
That's smart. Okay.
Correct.
So as a side note to the viewers at home, so we've talked about Wi-Fi enabled appliances before. It's becoming much more of an industry standard, and I wholly support it, not just because I can control things from my smartphone or Alexa or Google Home, but also because in 3 years, if something happens, oftentimes that means the servicer can log in and remote diagnose a problem, meaning the servicer or the appliance repair person comes out one time with the right part because they know what went wrong. So rather than coming out, tearing the whole thing apart, figuring out what widget broke, going and ordering the widget, coming back a week later and fixing it. So Wi-Fi in appliances is definitely the future. We're talking to Peter from Sharp Electronics, and we've seen the microwave already. We have seen the new speed oven that's coming out next year. But this is out right now, yes?
Yes.
And Peter, tell us about this here.
Sure. So as you may know, David, we build all of our built-in microwave drawers in Memphis, Tennessee. Since 1979, 107 acres, and we're continuing to bring out new technology in built-in microwave drawers. Our latest before this product is a convection built-in microwave drawer. So many people have asked for it, but now we come out with a very unique product that only Sharp has made and probably could come up with and think about making: cosmetics, design, architecture, etc. And it's our built-in microwave drawer with a built-in wall oven with one control panel.
That's huge, actually.
It's very, very Tony. Think of this as a baby grand, a Steinway baby grand on your wall with that kind of 14 coats of finish. But what you have is you can articulate this 3 ways. You can manually do it on our 7-inch color screen. You can go ahead and say, use Alexa. You could say, we don't have Wi-Fi connected, but I could say, Alexa, turn on the wall oven, and she'll say what temperature, and you'll see the lights come on. This is articulated. Or if your hands are full of chicken and you want to just not get your product dirty, you can just wave the magic wave, open it up, and put your product in. So 3 ways to articulate. The other part is,
I love that bump to close and the way it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth. So that's why it's designed that you could put a cup of coffee or other drinks in there, and it won't spill and won't fall over. But the other part too is this is built on one track physically. So God forbid if there was ever a problem and you had to remove the microwave drawer, the screen and the oven will work perfectly, and vice versa. If you had to pull out the oven, it's on one track, the microwave will continue to work. But think about it. If you think of a double wall oven, most people won't use the second wall oven so maybe once or twice a year. Now you have a utilitarian product where you can actually have your microwave and the wall oven together. It's a beautiful microwave and a beautiful wall oven, glide rack, temperature probe, and of course the easy close touch. And then finally, this is very important, we're very proud of it. We did a lot of work with software and did a lot of research as to what consumers want. Our brand, Sharp, is about Sharp, Simply Better Living. Products that are very simple to use, better than others, and all about better living. So look at how easy this is to articulate. This side, everybody, is the oven. This side's the microwave. If I want to do manual cook, what do you want to cook? I want to grill. Let's set the temperature. Whoops, sorry, I'll just move it down here. All set to go, ready to hit start go. If you want a smart cook, we have 72 recipes already built in here.
Okay.
Just click smart cook, click beef. I want to do a beef roast, it's ready to go. It tells you the weight, everything else, and you're ready to go. So really, this is designed for beauty. It's designed for delicious cooking. It's designed to be multimodal, so you can actually use the microwave while you're using the oven. It's designed in case there's a technology problem. It's easy to take that technology, fix it, and not disrupt the rest of it. And then finally, 3 ways to articulate. You can use the push button, you can do the magic wave where you open up the drawer, or you can utilize Alexa, which already has algorithms built in. You can even say, Alexa, I want to cook 4 potatoes in the microwave oven, and bang, it sets the right temperature, put the potatoes in, and you're done. There is no other product out there in the marketplace. There is no other product in the United States being built here down in Memphis, Tennessee. We're very proud. This won the twice VIP award for 2023 in December, and just recently won the Dealer Scope Impact, both for best, and this was best in class at KBIS last year.
Yeah, this is definitely very interesting. One quick question about the installation on this.
Yes.
I suspect I know the answer, but I wanted to just verify here. This can be flushed if we cleat the cabinets, right?
Yeah.
It can be installed flush. And another question is, as far as the electrical requirement, obviously the oven is 240.
Yep.
Microwave is 120.
Yes.
Are these on two separate circuits?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, if you were to take this panel out, you'll see them.
Okay.
One's 240, one's 120. Yes.
All right. Anything I forgot to ask?
No, but we're really appreciative. We're great fans of you and the work that you've done, and congratulations over 5 years to build such a great audience. You know, we know the publishing business. It's a unique editorial franchise and position that draws in people who have the will, the need, and means to absorb it, and then we have an opportunity to talk to them. So thank you for building the platform, David.
Thanks for putting this stuff out.
Thanks
Thank you
for
watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.